You guys want to learn an amazing magic trick where you make a selected card change colors? Not once, but twice? Easy to do, and it requires no sleight of hand. Stay tuned and check it out. Alright, here's an amazing magic trick with a deck of cards. Anyways, it's just a regular deck of cards, front and back. You can see every card. Go ahead and pull out any card you want. Doesn't matter which one. Free choice. This time we're going to pull out this one. And if you look at it, it's the 3 of clubs. Okay? Place it right back on top. And all I have to do is just cut it in half like so. It'll have to be in the middle, somewhere inside. And here's the cool part. If I press the button right there, for some reason one card changes colors. One card only changes colors, and if you look at it, you can see that one card is right there. It's a red card. Amazingly, this is your card, the 3 of clubs. Isn't that cool? Anyways, here you go. We're going to go ahead and grab that 3 of clubs and place it right here in the side. Because we're going to do it a second time. There you go. Go ahead and just say stop wherever you like. Stop. Okay. Look at that card. This time is the 4 of hearts. Throw it back on top, square it up, and once again, press the button. And one card only. One card will change colors. Only one card. One card only. Wait a second. There is no red card. Oh, there is one card. No. Could that be the 4 of hearts? Anyways, I'll tell you the secret right now. Oh. One card is going to change. Only one card only. And wait a second. Well, there is one card on the table. Could that be a card? Oh. And now for the secret. Hey, wait a second. Before I show you the secret, I want you to hit that subscribe button in the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. I'm going to do it more often. Anyways, check out the secret. Alright, here's the secret. Secret is really easy. All you need is a regular deck of cards with a blue back. And in the very bottom, you need a red card. That red card is going to be, for example, this case would be the 4 of hearts. You also got to have another duplicate of a 4 of hearts in the bottom. You can choose whatever card you want, but I'm using a 4 of hearts for this time. Now this red card is not just a regular red card. You're going to treat it in a special way so you can do the magic. Watch. For that you need to get some Elmer's spray adhesive. Bought this at Walmart. They also sell it at Office Depot. Anyways, what you're going to do is on the surface of the face of the card, you're going to spray a little bit on it. Let it dry. And once it's dry, it has a special property where you can do some cool magic. Watch. Here you go. So if you place it on top, pull that card out, it looks like it's the 10 of spades. In reality, it's actually 2 cards. After you let this dry, it doesn't stick, but it barely sticks because it's kind of like a sticky thing where you could pull it right off and you could show them the card and it's the 10. Place it right back on top. See, when you rub on them like this, they stick together. When you pick it up from the edges, it's easy to pull off. Anyways, this kind of treatment can be used for many different magic ideas. Anyways, here you go. First, you start with a 4 of hearts that has blue back in the bottom. The next one with the red back and the treated surface in the bottom. And all you do is ask someone to pull out any card. And they do. For example, we'll pull out this one here. And that would be the Jack of Diamonds. Place that one on top. So that means if I cut it in half, the one with the treated surface, it's actually going to adhere to it slightly. You can spread them out and say, look, there's one red card. When you see that red card, just cut it right in half. And you know that these are actually 2 cards. So you can show it to them. It's the Jack of Diamonds, the one they selected. It looks like it's red in the back, but it's actually the second card that sticks together that is making it look red. So here you go. Pull it out. say, look, your card is the jack of diamonds and it has a red back. But when you place it back, you're gonna hold it from the top and the bottom and it comes right off. It's not the jack no more, so you place it back on your pocket. And look, we'll do it one more time. This time, because you cut it in half, the duplicate of the one over here is in the bottom. So when you tell them say stop, doesn't matter where they say stop, you're just gonna show them the bottom card, the 4 of hearts. Complete the cut, shake it around, press the button, spread them out, and you'll find that there's no red card, only one red card, which is this one here, duplicate. Show it to them, it's the 4 of hearts. Anyways, it's an easy trick. Hope you enjoyed and have fun with it. Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the show. Anyways, just to let you know, I'm gonna come back making videos more often, so make sure you subscribe, and if you like the trick, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time. Was that your card? How did that happen?